Hello guys, I'm Yogesh and you're watching my channel that is Greatness Within You. So guys, today I'm going to talk on very interesting topic, and the topic is what is that one thing which actually comes between you and your dream. I know the first question will raise in your mind that why I choose this topic or what made me so interested to talk on this topic. And the answer to this question is we all are longing for something. We all want something in our life. We all have some goals, some special things in our life which we want to achieve it. But something comes in between that makes us incapable of achieving it. And what is it? Because the moment we come to know that this is the thing which actually comes in between me and my dream, probably we start working on it, and by overcoming it we can achieve what we want to achieve in our life or what we are capable of achieving it. So guys, keep watching it. As I said that I'm going to share some of the interesting and important facts which I've ever discovered in this areas. So what is that one thing? And that one thing which comes in between you and your dream is actually a doubt. Now let me explain when I say doubt, what I mean exactly. Doubt on your dream or doubting on your own capability is the things that actually keeps you away from your dream. Now how? Because you know that is the only one thing. Now just let me explain with an example. Just take an example that if I ask in one question that which is the fastest animal in the jungle, and I know that you are going to say the cheetah is the fastest animal in the jungle. Yes, that's true. So cheetah is the fastest animal in the jungle. If I ask another question, which is the tallest animal in the jungle, I know that you are going to say giraffe is the tallest animal in the jungle. And it's true, giraffe is the tallest animal in the jungle. And if I ask you another question like which is the biggest animal in the jungle, and I know that you are going to say that elephant is the biggest animal in the jungle. Yes, that's true. Now if I ask you which is the cleverest animal in the jungle, and I know that you're going to say the fox is the clever animal in the jungle, I know, but where is the king? Lion. Now just think of it, lion does not possess any of those qualities, but still he is king of the jungle. Now just think all those finest quality, like the fox is the cleverest, the giraffe is the tallest, the elephant is the biggest, and the fastest is the cheetah. Now not having any one of those qualities, but still lion is king of the jungle. Why? Because he's having only one quality, and that one quality is that he never have doubt on his own capability, and that's separates him from other animal, and that's make him the king of the jungle. So that is the one thing. How many times you have seen lion fighting on Discovery channels? Most of the time you can see that all the time whenever lion fights, he fights with his full of courage. Why? Because he knows whenever he fights like he's the one who is going to win, and that's what actually is required. When you have doubt, probably you may miss many of the much of the beauty of your life, because when we doubt on one thing, it leads to doubt of everything, and once we doubt of everything, we actually lower our standard and become incapable of achieving anything great in our life. And when we become incapable, actually we miss much of the beauty of our life, and that's what put us in a list of average people, or a list of common people, because that it does not take much effort to be a common or to be average. What it takes to be on the top, not on the bottom. So what I'm telling you, always two things which actually matters. As I said that it is the only one thing is the doubt, but it's the moment I say one thing is doubt, the doubt on your dream or doubt on your own capabilities. Even how many of you have doubt on sun to shine, because you have a doubt that I don't know tomorrow sun is going to shine or not. No, we do not have doubt. I know that tomorrow sun is going to shine, but even we do not have a doubt on sun to shine, but still we have doubt on our own capabilities, to whom we know, because we know ourselves perfectly. That's what I'm saying. The moment make yourself stronger in such a way that you do not need anyone's permission to act upon anything. The way sun does not require permission to shine upon anything. And that's what important in your life. Never have a doubt on your own capabilities, or do not have a doubt on your dreams. Most of the people think that why we fail actually by for achieving our big dreams in our life. Probably people think that the problem with the people, they do not have big dream, they do not have something special in their life to achieve. No, they do have it. The problem is they have the small dream and they achieve it. That is the biggest problem. It's not the problem that they do not have a big dream in their life. The problem is they do have a dreams, but that is small, and they achieve it. That is another the big problem. So what I'm telling you guys, So today's learning, I'll just sum up in 4 categories. The first thing which is important, actually, you should not have doubt on your dream, and the second thing is you should not have doubt on your own capabilities. So those are the important things which you should ensure while doing anything. Now one more important thing which I want to tell you, that knowing is not enough, we must apply, or wishing is not enough, we must act upon it. Because as I always say, that it is the cause that produces the effect. If the cause is not exact, if the cause is not stronger, if the cause is not proper, you will not get the expected results. So you must ensure that what you do is the cause, and that it should be, or it must be exact, proper and stronger, and that is the only thing which will produce the desired and expected results. So guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press bell icon for my upcoming videos. Last but not the least, if you want me to make video on any particular topic that will help you to develop your skill, that will help you to bring out your hidden potential, so please write it in comment box, and I'll ensure that I'll come back with that video. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you very much. We'll come back with new topic.